Welcome to online classes for MSc Physics. This is K. Venkatadri, lecturer in Physics, Government College, Chittoor. Now we are going to discuss about the syllabus and the paper titles. Syllabus. The paper title is Physics of Semiconductor Devices. We have 4 units, that is unit 1 in junction and interfaces. In junction and interfaces, PN junction, descriptions of PN junction action in equilibrium, applications of bias, energy band diagrams, abrupt junction, calculation of the built-in voltage, electric field and potential distribution, expression for deflection layer capacitance, static IV characteristics of PN junction diodes, ideal diode model, derivation of ideal diode equation, real diodes, carrier generation, recombination in the junction depletion region, IV characteristics of real diode, electrical breakdown in PN junction, Zener diode and avalanche breakdown in PN junctions, distinction between Zener and avalanche breakdown, applications of breakdown diodes, review of crystalline imperfection, Schottky and Franklin defects, equilibrium concentration. This is the first unit syllabus, and the second unit junction diodes. That is, in the junction diodes there are different types of diodes. Therefore, tunnel diode and IV characteristics, Schottky barrier diode, operation and applications, corrector diode, gun diode, impact diode, trapad diode, Barrett diode, basic principle, operation and its applications, solar cell, structure and applications of principles of operation, solar cell parameters, light emitting diodes, semiconductor lasers, principles of operation and applications. And the third unit is junction transistors, bipolar junction transistors, principles of operation, analysis of ideal diffusion transistor, calculations of terminal current, DC parameters, Ebers-Moll equations, 4 regions of operation of bipolar transistor, real transistor, carrier recombination in the emitter base junction defletion region, effect of collector bias variation, avalanche multiplication in the collector base junction and base resistance. Junction field effect transistor, JFET, principle of operation, static IV characteristics of idealized model, and MOS transistor and charge coupled devices, MOS capacitor, surface field effect, energy band diagrams of a MOS capacitor for different bias condition, CV characteristics of the MOS capacitor, and basic structure and operating principle of MOSFET, IV characteristics of ideal MOSFET, charge coupled devices, principles of operation. And fourth unit is power devices and semiconductor technology. Technology of semiconductor devices, crystal growth and vapor preparation, methods of PN junction formation, growth and deposition of dielectric layers, planar technology, masking and lithography, pattern definition, metal deposition techniques. and power rectifiers and thyristors. Power rectifiers, thyristors, some special thyristor structures, bidirectional thyristors and field control thyristors. This is the syllabus in the 302 physics of semiconductor devices. Other thing is books for study and reference books. That is one thing. Introductions to Semiconductor Materials and Devices by M.S. Taggi, John Whaley and Sons, and Microwave Devices and Circuits, Samuel and Wylov, and Microwave Radar Engineering by M. Kulkarni, Umesh Publications, and Physics of Semiconductor Devices, SM Sage, and fifth one is solid state electronic devices, which is STEM. These are the reference books and study books were required. These 5 books have the complete syllabus is there, and then model question paper. In the model question paper there is the 2 parts, that is part 1 and part 2. Part 1 have 8 questions and we have to attempt 4 questions. You have to choose any 4 questions in this 8 questions. And part B, in the part B there are 4 questions, either A or B. It means as A, B, C, D. It contains as 4 questions or 2 questions. We have to choose in the 9th A, B, C, D. You have write the A, B or C, D. On the 10th questions you have A, B, C, D. In this A, B, C, D, you have choose the A, B or C, D. Whatever. The same thing will be following as 11th and 12th. This is the basic of your introduction. You can follow the certain guidelines. Thank you.